Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this Lampi F20T12 Preheat Fluorescent Fixture. Now I recently picked this up and it was seen in one of my recent vlog videos, or maybe it's not recent anymore, I don't know when this video will go up. I think it was vlog number 11 or something like that is when I found this, but I cleaned it up and added a cord because at the time it didn't have a cord. This cord came off of something else that had a one of these switches on it, and that works great because there's not a switch on the fixture itself, nor is there a place to actually put one. I suppose you could put it on the end there, but there's not a knockout specifically for a switch. So just a standard plug. And let's see the bulb that came with it. It is a Sylvania GTE warm white. Very cool. You usually don't see warm white bulbs. It's usually cool white or something like that. So we'll take the bulb out for right now, and let's take a look at the fixture itself. So we obviously have the Lampi sticker here at the end. Very nice. We have their little mounting hardware, which is nice that it came with it. This appears to be just like a plug for a knockout if you want to use it for that. That's to hold the starter in, and obviously the ballast is over here. And this sticker I have to turn around so you can read it. Lampi miscellaneous fixture. Basically, you can use it for anything. So you have the wire coming in at the end here, and the sockets, which turn and lock, which is actually very nice. And in typical Lampi fashion, we can open the fixture itself, as I put a nice rip in the bedding here. So all you do is squeeze it, and it usually comes out. There. Maybe I have to do that in first. There we go. And they're usually painted brown inside. Not too sure why, but they usually are. And that's just the cover. And inside we can find, obviously, the wires for the sockets, the mounting hardware. I believe this is a Robertson ballast. I tried reading the side of it when I was wiring it up, and that's what I think is on the side of it. What does that say there? 13, 15, 19, 20, 22 watt lamp. Okay. And we have the original Lampi starter in here as well. FS2, more like FS22, the ones that do 4 to 22 watt. Very nice. Typical Lampi starter socket. There we go. I don't know why I was turning it the other way. And some more information here, just saying that it's for 118 volt only. Lampi fluorescent fixture. So I'll go ahead and put this cover back on, which is kind of picky about how it goes on. Sometimes it'll clip in very nicely, and sometimes it will not do anything. I think that time it clipped in all completely. So I'll set this down like that. That's too bad, oh well. And we'll put the bulb in. Twist, and it locks into place. Very nice. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Turn off the light. Let's turn it on. This starter isn't very blink happy. And I don't really know where this fixture was originally used. I don't think it was used in a kitchen because it didn't have any grease on it or anything, and it wasn't actually that dirty. It was just kind of banged up a little bit. I think it was hardwired though, or else they would have had a cord on it. Nice warm white bulb though. One more time. Very cool. So anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this quick little video of this Lampi F20T12 fluorescent fixture. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.